Hello and welcome back to our channel. My name is Paula, and if you haven't heard yet, I'm on a keto journey and I want to bring you along. And today I received the Keto Box, and if you want to see what is inside it, then keep watching. If you're new to our channel or you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and if you want to be notified when I drop new videos, then ring that bell. Help me out with YouTube. And my videos are about teaching online ESL, tips and tricks for makeup from someone who is not a makeup artist but is a normal day person just like you, makeup box subscription unboxings, and my newest adventure is my keto journey. And if you want to join me on any of those, give me a thumbs up. The Keto Box. This is not the current box because they were not going to be able to ship until August, but I wanted to go ahead and try it out and see what it looked like and it was about. So they had some past boxes that they had for sale. So what I did is they had 2 past boxes for sale, and I went to YouTube and I watched some YouTube unboxings for those 2 months and picked the one that I thought was the best fit for me. And so here it is, and let's just cut it open. And there it is. Keto, oops, that was the cards that just fell out of it. Okay. So there's a coupon in here, it looks like, for Slim Fast Keto, which I've not done any of the Slim Fast Ketos, so I don't know. I'll have to ask or see. Maybe I'll get some samples and I'll be able to try them out. Maybe that's what the coupon's for, is for the samples that are in here. Let's see what I dropped. The next one is, to go to the Keto Box. Yes, if you're a member of them, you can go to their keto store and then you get percentage off of some of the things that are in the box. So does it not have a card? It doesn't look like it has a card either that tells me the things that are in it, but it does look like it's got quite a few things in here. So I'm just going to pull out the first one. This is Huevos made from egg whites. Huevos rancheros, which it looks like it's like a chip made with avocado oil. It says it's keto friendly. Has 140 calories. There's 1 bag as a serving. There's 8 grams of carbohydrates, but 4 grams of fiber, which you get to subtract that from the carbs. So 8 minus 4, so there's 4 net carbs in this. And that's what I do, is I do net carbs. I'm not doing total carbs. Okay, you know what? We're just gonna go ahead and open them up and see what they taste like. They're made from egg whites. Huevos rancheros. I don't know. Okay, let me tell you. I'm going to tell you right now, I'm not going to eat these by themselves. Since they are kind of like a chip, I'd probably eat them with hot sauce. That would be good. Okay, so eat those with hot sauce. And the next one is a California Keto Cookie Cup. Just add water and microwave chocolate chip cookie. Okay. 1 cup is a serving, has 240 calories. Total carbs is 18. Fiber is 4, so subtract that, so that's 14. Then you get to subtract your sugar alcohol. 14, and the sugar alcohol is 11, so that's 3. So this is 3 net carbs. And just so you know, I try to stay under 20 net carbs a day. And I'll be talking more about net carbs as I do more videos. But right now, if you're interested in getting started on keto, watch one of my beginning videos about how to start it the easy way and what to do, and I'll link it right there. Because you can make it too hard and you don't need to. There's no need to. You can lose weight making it easy. The next one is a Smart Cake, gluten-free, keto-friendly, 0 carbs. And this one's supposed to be vanilla latte. let's read about it. There's 2 servings in a bag. There's 38 calories per serving, 9 grams of carbs with 5 grams of fiber. So take the 5 away from the 9, you get 4. And then it has 4 added sugar, so that's 0. So that's what they said. 0 carbs. A cake for 0 carbs. And I'm going to open it. I'll just put what's left over in a baggie. I just want to try it and see. Oh, they come already in 2 little things. Okay, how cute. Like a little cupcake. Okay, like I said, it's supposed to be vanilla latte.
Okay, that's unfair.
It smells good. It tastes good too. I could definitely get into this. Yes, okay. This is a yes. Yeah, I could eat both of those and I don't need to. Okay, the next one is High Key Brownie Bites, made with almond flour and coconut oil. And these are classic chocolate. Okay, there's 2 servings in a bag, 140 calories per serving, 11 grams of carbohydrates. 3 of those are fiber, so take that away. So that's 8. And then there's 6 grams of added sugar, so that's 2. And that's what it says right here, 2 grams per serving. Okay, so brownie bites. Let's try them. This is what they look like, just a little chocolate. They're kind of crispy, and mostly my brownies are always kind of soft, so I'd say this is more like a cookie. Okay, these are good too. Now you know how brownies have just a little bit of a different flavor to them than chocolate cookies. That's what those taste like. So that's more of a brownie. Even though I think it looks like a chocolate cookie, it tastes more like a brownie. So that's pretty good. I like that. So those are the sweet. Is that all the sweets? Oh no, we got some more sweets in here, and then we got some savory. This is the Slim Fast Keto. And this is like what it was showing us on there. This is a fat bomb, and it is a caramel cup. And there is the information on it. 1 serving, 90 calories. Total carbohydrates is 7. Fiber is 3, so that's 4. And the added sugar is 3, so that's 1. So this is 1 net carb. Whoop, sorry about that. So this is 1 net carb. And it could get you your fat in if you're having trouble getting your fat. It could also get you your sweet tooth if you're having doing that. Now I would advise about not eating too many sweets like this with the artificial sweeteners in it, because it might give you diarrhea. So be careful with that. Okay, keto bars, dark chocolate, coconut, almond, and it says no sugar added. It looks like this, so it's a bar. And 1 serving per container, or 1 bar is a serving, so 230 calories. Total carbohydrates is 15. Dietary fiber is 7, so take that away and you have 8. And then you have 5 added sugar, so that would be 3 net carbs, and that's what it says right here. 3 net carbs. Okay, since this is my Try Me box, I'm gonna go ahead and open it and try it. I didn't open it all, but it just looks like a little chocolate bar. I can do without this one. Yeah, that one's not good. I can taste the coconut, and that's okay. But it's got, I don't know, it's got a weird flavor to it, and I don't like it, and it's very, very dry. So no, this is a no. Which is good, because I've gone through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products, and 1 no. But that is definitely a no. Then, Ice Chips Candy Real Lemon. A serving size is 2 pieces, and 2 pieces have 5 calories and 2 grams of carbs with sugar alcohol at 2, so there's no carbs then in your, and it has the zithrol in it, which be real careful with that one if you have animals because it's real poisonous to them. So make sure you keep it away from the animals or don't give it to them. Ugh, having trouble getting it open. I've already opened it. It's just got a little zipper. Oh, there we go. I just had to show it to you and you got it. Ooh, it does look like ice though, doesn't it? Just a little candy. Okay, now I do like this. It just has a fresh, refreshing taste of lemon is really what it is, but I like lemon. I'm a lemon eater. So this would give me that little bit of lemon that I'm needing. So this is another yes. This is from Nantucket Country Cheese in the flavor of black pepper. The flavor of black pepper. And it looks like they're little cheesy bites or something. There's 2 servings per container. There's 80 calories per serving, less than 1 gram of carbohydrates. So let's see what it tastes like. And a lot of these have the little zipper pouch that you can seal them back up. And if they don't, then I'm just gonna put them in a baggie. Okay, I cannot taste the black pepper, but I can the cheese. And these would be very good on a salad. These would be good in a salad. I'm not sure I would eat them by themselves, but I would probably eat them in a salad because, you know, lots of times you want that crouton crunch and you can't have the croutons, but you could have this and it would give you that good crouton crunchy taste with no carbs, and so this would be good to add to that. The next one is KETO-THE Cup Almond Espresso Chocolate Keto Cups. Love is in the air and it smells like coffee. That's what it looks like. It says it has 2 cups in here. So 1 cup is a serving. It's 150 calories. Has 5 grams of, no, it has, I'm sorry, it has 9 grams of carbohydrates, which 2 is fiber, so that takes you down to 7. And then the sugar alcohols is 5, so that takes you down to 2. And that's exactly what they said on the front. 2 net carbs. So, I mean, 2 grams of net carb. Oh, I think they definitely melted in transit. I would say that doesn't look very good. Okay, but it is in a little baggie, so I'm gonna open it and smell it. It smells like coffee. Not a overpowering whelm of coffee, but a good smell. I don't know if I can. Oh, there we go. No, it's not my favorite, and I definitely wouldn't buy it. It tastes more coffee than it smells, so I would not buy that one again. Okay, but I'm still only on 2 no's. Okay, the next one is the beef jalapeno and hickory smoked bacon meat snack. Oh, meat stick, sorry. And it doesn't have any ingredients, I mean nutrients on it. And I don't know for sure, but I've heard people say that if it doesn't, like this, with it being beef and jalapenos, like if it doesn't have nutrients on it, most of the time you can consider it 0. But if you're really hardcore keto, look it up on their website and then you'll find out. I'm not going to open it because it's sealed so well, and it's one of those things that I can stick in a bag or stick in a purse or something for if I'm caught out somewhere and I need a quick snack. Okay, the last item is sugar-free Chalk Zero caramel syrup. And since I'm just beginning my journey back with keto again, I'm not doing any fancy recipes or anything right now. I'm kind of keeping it as simple as possible because, like I said before, you can make it hard or you can make it easy, and I'm all for the easy, so that's where I'm headed at. They have keto pancakes, they have keto waffles, and then you can put this syrup on it. They have keto ice cream, all of that kind of things, but I'm just not ready for that right now because I'm trying to lose. Now, when I get to my goal and I want to start maintaining, then I may start doing some of that stuff. But as of right now, I'm not. So this is very small print. So let me get my magnifying glass. Oh. 1 tablespoon is a serving, and there's 32 calories in a serving. Total carbohydrates are 15 with a fiber of 14, so that takes us down to 1. So 1 tablespoon has 1 gram of carb, which is not bad, especially if you're going to put it on a waffle or something, so that would be very good. Okay, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 products. Now, this box cost me $30 because it was a previous box. Now, the current boxes cost you $35 plus shipping. And if you're interested in getting the Keto Box, I'll have a link below. And if you just sign up through my link, I get $5 off my next box. That's all there is to it. I still pay for my box. They don't send it to me for free or anything. I'm not affiliated with them. So, what do you think? Was it worth $30? Especially if you're on keto. I like that it has the keto sweets in it because I'm probably not going to bake keto sweets because I've tried in the past and I've never gotten it sweet enough or that flavor just right. So I like that it has that, so it can give me that keto sweet taste that I need when I get a sweet tooth. And it's also going to let me try products that I might not have ever tried before. What do you think? Was it worth $30? Let me know in the comments. Are you on the keto journey with me? Let me know. Let's do this together. We can be keto buddies.